Good morning, everyone. I'm doing a follow-up to my Vava unboxing. So I've already mounted it. I'm also installing a stereo. So I decided to do them both at the same time, obviously. So there were two cables. So those are the two cables. One is going to go run to the lighter, and the other one is going to run to the back camera because it's a dual camera system. So I ran it to over here. This is where I'm at right now. I'm gonna put the GPS in the pillar right here, and the other wire I'm just running along the roof trim to the back glass. So that's where I'm at right now. Okay, you see, these are the mounts that I was talking about that I wasn't going to use, but obviously they're made for the pillar, so I'm going to mount them in the pillar. So put one over here. Hold on, let me put one over here. So I think I'm only going to use two. It's kind of like us. Weird fit. Okay, get it on. All right, I'm looking at this wire, this firewall kind of thing right here, and I don't think this can fit through it because it's an L shape. So I'm gonna have to figure out something else. This is the windshield washer. Let me figure out something else. I'll get back to you. Okay, so I buy these random things on eBay all the time, thinking I'm going to use them a lot. I bought this 6 months ago, probably maybe a year ago, and I put it down. And these things are very hard to find when you need them. Anyways, I found it really easy, so it's my lucky day. A rubber grommet kit. So I'm going to drill a hole through there, somewhere along here and somewhere along here, and string the camera through it, the camera wire through it, and wire in the backup camera while we're at it. I'm not gonna put in the backup camera now, but I just wanted to save myself a little time in the future since I already had it pulled down. So I'm gonna tuck that in there, and then on a later date I will put in the backup camera. Put this all back together now. Okay, so I wired in the Vava DVR camera right there. You can see I cut out a little spot by the brake light cover, and looks like a pretty good install. All right. So I just soldered the USB adapter to the cigarette lighter. It's a motorcycle adapter I got from Amazon, and then I just plugged the dash cam into that. So I'm just going to put in the car stereo and put everything back together and test out the DVR. The final installation complete. I put in the new car stereo. It's an Android stereo. This car was originally from Japan, so it had a Japanese stereo, and they use a different frequency, so I had to get a new stereo. So I'm sure my employees will enjoy this new radio. The Japanese radio would give you like one station, so good upgrade. And of course, there is the Vava DVR dash cam. I wired it in through the pillar, and I wired the other wire all the way through the lining to the back, and you see the rear DVR camera, that little dot there next to the brake light. So that was a pretty simple installation. It took me a long time because I don't normally do these kind of things. I'm not a professional installer. So it was but whenever I have these kind of things, I always like to do it myself. You know, I'm a do-it-yourselfer type of guy, so I always enjoy these kind of things. This is an employee car, so I think they'll enjoy the new radio. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like it, and press like if you like it. If you don't like it, just don't do anything, just move on. Okay? Have a wonderful week.